how to fix Steam Workshop not downloading mods. First, open up your computer search. You want to search for Steam, right click on it, open file location. Now, again, we will right click on Steam, and open file location. Now here, you want to find the Steam apps folder, click on it, then you will find the workshop folder. So right here you want to open up the workshop folder and then just find the file, VDF file for the game which is giving you issues and it doesn't want to install the mods for, and you will delete that file. Once you have done this, then we can open up Steam here. Then we will go to our library, right click on the game itself, go to properties. For the updates tab, you want to set this to immediately download updates. And once you have done this, we can go here and install files, and you will just click on verify the game's files, so verify integrity of the game files. Once you do that, you should no longer have issues with the workshop. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.